Hurricanes are fast and deadly, leaving massive damage in their wake. Check out how researchers use AI to help assess the damage left behind on this episode of NSF Science now. Every year, U.S. coastal cities and towns brace for hurricane season. Storm after storm pounds relentlessly against the U.S. coast. Their effects are real, dangerous, and devastating. Assessing the damage these systems leave behind is critical to saving lives.
Hurricane assessment is so important. You've got, first off, just the rapid needs assessment portion. You want to see where all the damaged neighborhoods and buildings are because that tells you where all the people are in trouble and need to be rescued are. And that also tells you how many services, how much food and water and supplies and medical and all of that they're going to need to. It also tells you whether or not you're going to be able to get it into them very easily if all the roads are damaged. So it becomes really important to do that quickly.
The existing storm damage assessment system is slow and cumbersome.
The current method of assessing hurricane damage is pretty primitive when you think about it. It consists of getting images from satellites or from crewed aviation planes that are flying over, sending those images off to a dark room where a bunch of people look around at the images and manually check house after house, check off what level of damage they're in.
So Robin Murphy and her NSF-supported research team at Texas A&M University are using drones and harnessing the power of AI to assess the damage in the field in real time.
So we've developed a system that uses artificial intelligence. It used artificial intelligence to train a set of models to recognize building damage, but to be able to do it very quickly.
Her team partners with Florida State University, which deploys the drones to canvass the massive amount of wreckage left behind, and then AI does the rest.
AI is so important. So when we fly for disasters and we fly with the Florida State team, which handles drone imagery for all of the state of Florida, you're talking about over 60 gigabytes of data, tens of thousands of images, thousands of buildings to look at. What we're talking about, a person processing it, is days. Here we can do that in minutes on a laptop in the field without having to send it up someplace else. The AI system was trained to look at specifically building damage and road damage.
The massive data set from over 10 hurricanes are changing how critical decisions are made.
Our models are being built with funding through our NSF AI Institute on AI for societal decision making. And we're providing the information that the emergency managers need to make important decisions about how to deploy resources.
The Institute, through foundational research, bridges the gap between human and autonomous decision-making.
So the mission of AISDM is to augment human decisions using AI to benefit society. We are focusing on two specific use cases, disaster management and public health. Both of these are domains where there are life-saving decisions that need to be made under a lot of pressure and under time constraints.
The Institute harnesses the power of AI to help improve decision-making in the field.
AISDM is developing human-centric AI tools which leverage the power of data along with an improved understanding of human decision-making to help with these tasks so that decision makers can make decisions that are more effective, more trusted, and also equitable.
In addition to helping researchers like Robin Murphy better mitigate disasters in the field, the Institute also provides specific disaster training.
So another reason AI is an important tool for disasters is because we can create simulation scenarios that can be used to train the volunteers and first responders during disasters. We're actually creating a gaming scenario that can present multiple different scenarios to them, different types of disasters, different types of resource constraints, different timeliness of the decision making. And in a simulated environment, the decision makers can try out these different recommendations and see whether the ones that they are making, what is the consequence of their decisions. They can see it play out.
The Institute's partnership with researchers, first responders, and nonprofits like the Red Cross are helping teams better prepare for future catastrophes. Murphy says she's excited about the impact their research has made on real-life disasters and encourages others to take their data, use their models, and train their own AI systems.